Good morning, everybody.
Good morning, sir.
There is no one that who doesn't know this letter.
G.
What's his name?
G.
What's his name?
G.
G. The letter G is placed at seventh place of alphabet. Am I right? You have any confusion?
No, sir.
Calculate. Today you will get a wonderful knowledge, my dear students, that has not been yet taught in classes. Teacher is also a learner. Of course, students, of course, are learners. And today we are going to learn about the fact of the letter G. The letter G has two sounds in it. The one is, come on, anybody knows? The one is hard sound and another one is soft sound. Keeping beside this hard and soft, it is advanced level that you learn when you go to college. It has two sounds, that is G. What it is? G. Is it hard or soft? G. Observe my pronunciation. G. G. Gutter. Is it soft or hard? Hard. Gutter. Gum. Get. Gun. Hard. Okay? Right. Now I tell one word, but I use the letter G, but I don't pronounce it G. Instead of that, what I tell, listen. G-E-L.
Gel.
Now tell now, gel. Why are we not telling gel? Yes, gel. And a very famous word, G-Y-M.
Gym.
Then pronounce it Gim. Tell it Gim. Gim. Okay? G-E-R-M. G-E-R-M.
Germ.
Germ. Do we call it germ? Germ are everywhere. The logic of this G is very simple. Whenever G is followed by O, all of you tell O. All of you say, last students. O.
Ow.
Last. O.
Ow.
G. O.
G. Ow.
Now I tell you which are those vowels. A. Repeat after me. A. O. U. O. A. O. U. O. Whenever these O placed or followed by G, the G is becoming G. Give me that. Look at this. Now read.
Gun.
Game, right? G-A-M-E, game. When you use O, go. Jo will tell. G-O-U, what we pronounce?
Jo.
Go or Jo? Go. Yes? And you, gun, as I said earlier, gun. So when next these letters are placed, any word it is, G is that time says that I am G. Nanu G antadu. Yes? Next. In front of G or next to G, if I, E and Y, all of you say I and Y. I, E and Y placed means now it is not becoming G, it becomes J. That is also soft J. Say all of you. Gym. Giant. Giant means big one. G-I-A-N-T. Giant. Giant palace or big house. That is called giant. Now I will give you a homework. The homework is find out G sound words at least 25 and J sound words at least 25. 25 plus 25? 50. So 50 words you must know this one. I hope today's teacher's talk is benefiting you, and of course I believe that you will not forget this one until you speak the last word of English. English is not a monkey language. It is itself is a unique one. What it is? Unique one that we have to conquer this. Many rules are there, phonic rules, bite by bite, or every big step starts from a small step. Thank you so much.